Hello students, now I am going to teach you 33 lesson which is on page number 48, voice. See, there are two voices, active voice and passive voice. First of all, I am going to teach you active voice. In the active voice, the subject is the doer of the action. So how to find out the active voice? In this, you will see there is the important thing is subject. In the active voice, the action passes through subject to object. So how it goes? It goes from subject to object. See the example. Jiten ate all the chocolates. Who did it? So Jiten. So Jiten is the subject in this sentence, and totally focus is on the subject, which is your Jiten. Now passive voice. In the passive voice, the action is done to the subject. Now, in the passive voice, action is important. See, in active voice, there is a subject is important, but in active voice, action is important. In the passive voice, the subject is not the doer of the action, rather the action is done to it. So, what is written here? The subject is important in your sentence, but your focus should be on the action. Action is done to it. What action is done by the doer, by the subject? See the example. All the chocolates were eaten by Jiten. So, in this sentence, what is the action? Were eaten. By whom? By Jiten. So, in active voice, there should be first subject. In passive voice, there should be at the last the subject. First should be your object. See how to change the voice. Now there are 3 steps how you can change the active voice into passive voice. First, bring the object to the subject position. What you have to do first? You have to do, see, I am taking this example. In this sentence, Jiten is your subject, ate is your action verb, and chocolates, all the chocolate is your object. So, what you have to do? You have to bring the object first, object to the subject position. So, this is your object, all the chocolates. So, in passive voice, it should be at the first, all the chocolates. Then, what is the second step? Take the subject after the verb, placing the word by before it. Now, what you have to do? See, all the chocolates complete, but this is this is your third step should be. What should be your second step? Second step should be ate. In this sentence, see, ate is, what is the ate? Is the past tense of eat. So, ate, and in passive voice, it should be in your past participle. So, what is the past participle of ate? It should be eaten, right? So, all the chocolates, and as it is in the past tense, it should be in the past tense. Were eaten. Now, this step you can count. What is this step? You have to add by before the subject. So, this is your by. There should be by in your passive voice. Then change the verb to the passive voice, passive form. As I told you now, it should be in the were written. Then verb phrases in the active voice and this is this. So what is your formula should be? You should first use object in the subject place. So that is your subject in passive voice. All the chocolates will become all the chocolates in passive voice subject. After that, ate will become were eaten. After that, you have to add by, and then your subject should be in the object position. Understood? Now, see, there are some examples in tenses how you can change the active voice into the passive voice. First, I watered the plants in active voice. In passive voice, it will be the plants. First of all, you have to write the object. What is the object? The plants, that is the plants. After that, are your helping verb. Helping verb is here are. Then water will be watered in past tense, and then by me. What is the what I will become? It will become me. In second sentence, I watered the plants. It will become the plants were watered by me. In third sentence, I shall water the plants. It will become the plants will be watered by me. So this shall will become will be. Then I am watering the plants. It will, the plants were being watered by me, because there is the ing verb, so that you have to use being. Okay. Then I was watering the plants were being watered by me. I have watered the plants have been watered by me. Because there is a have watered, you have to use have been. Then I had watered the plants will become had been watered the plants. I will have watered the plants will have been watered by me. Then I can water the plants, the plants can be. You have to use this be, because there is a can, be watered by me. This was about the tenses, but sometimes there is no any necessity to use the subject or to use the by. So see this example. The judge announced the result. In this sentence, if you are using by the judge, what is the judge? Is your subject, your noun. You can use or you cannot use. It is okay if you are not using this. So your passive voice, the results were announced. This is okay if you are not using by the judge, but if you are using by the judge, then it is okay also. So this was our lesson voice. I hope you understand. We will meet in next video. Thank you.